was when I turned 50 in 2016. And because I had ruined my metabolism over so many years by going on crash diet after name the crash diet, I've done it. And I ruined my metabolism kasi you would really drop weight so fast and then you don't really want to accept it's just water weight. And sometimes pag sobra na, muscle mass na yung nawawala. And then yung rebound would be more than what you lost and so fast. I really ruined my metabolism. I think people would understand if they've been through what I've been through. So when I made the decision in 2016, I wasn't even sure that my body would respond in a positive way. I said, God, if I do it slowly, can I still lose weight? Because I felt hopeless. That's why it took me forever.
So there was a point when you doubted, when you doubted yourself.
Oh yeah, because I was turning 50. I said,
Kaya pa.
do I want to die ba na I'm not feeling like myself? You know, I've been grossly overweight and I know how it feels. This is absolutely not to diss anybody who is overweight. I've been there. I enjoyed myself. I ate so much. I felt so free. But because of the nature of my profession, I had to shape up, or because of the nature of my work. I was perfectly happy, and my husband was fine. Parang I don't know if he was just saying that to make me feel good, but Kiko's very. He doesn't focus on physical stuff.
Yeah.
But I also wanted to be healthy because, if I want to see my grandchildren and be able to play with them, it was like every time I would look in the mirror or kunyari, I would have a fitting for a gown.
Yeah.
Ay, 20 na lang, 30 na lang, mga ganyan. And then I realized, I've been saying this for years na. Tapusin na natin. Once and for all, tapusin na natin.
So at least mo tinapos?
Ayun, sabi ko lang, so you just have to cut down on what you're eating. So in the beginning, medyo severe.
Yeah.
Yung parang, okay, let's cut out sugar. Hindi naman ako makanin talaga. Ang problema ko, bread tsaka dairy. So dahan-dahan. But you know what I did? Kinonti-konti ko. Although nung umpisa, grabe talaga. Kasi when I put my mind to something, it's kind of hard to break me. Kasi pag ako I wasn't doing it na for other people. I was doing it for myself.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to shake me when I'm in that zone. So, dahan-dahan.
Recently though, you
already lost quite a bit of weight by then. Not like this, but I had lost now.
Yeah.
And I had skin with absolutely no use. It was hanging like flags. I had 2 large flags here that I had to compress whenever I wore long-sleeved garments. Not garments, outfits. I never, parang I would only wear shapewear inside, never here and never on top, just here in the tummy. So here, parang what can I do? Parang sayang naman. So it was really, I had to weigh it for some time. Ang tagal, parang, kasi pag ganyan, nag-heal naman yung scars ko over a few years. Parang nag-fade. Hindi siya bumabalik. Hindi siya nagdi-disappear. Pero nag-fade siya. So I said, okay lang kasi pag ganyan naman mami-makeup. At saka hindi na naman ako sasali sa Miss Universe. Okay na yan. Matanda na ako.
Wala na namang tanga moments.
Di ba? Wala na.
Moments.
Okay na. So parang gusto ko lang, kahit naka-long sleeves ako, decente lang yung dating. Kasi hindi naman proportion. It was really my decision. I'm not saying people should do it.
Yeah.
It's just that for me, personally, I wanted, siguro kasi galing ako sa payat eh. So, nung pumayat na ako ulit, parang, balikan ko na talaga yung payat ko lang noon.
Pag
yung
mga
decente
ganyan,
lang. So,
pag ganyan, do you have to ask permission from Senator Kiko? Or do you tell your kids
of course.
about
I
it?
tell Kiko. Kiko's always been supportive of anything I wanted to do. Kahit nga mag-concert tour kami ng ex ko, diba? Very lang. Siya pa yung kailan ba? Siya yung ganyan. He's a very secure husband. Very secure person.
Hindi siya natakot na you're gonna go on
He's
with the
always
life.
scared, pero are you strong-willed?
Yeah.
Na alam niya, itong asawa ko, kaysa gawin niya nang di ko alam. So, but I've always given him that respect. Also, my children, I would discuss it with them. In my case, I didn't want to grow old and on my deathbed say, God, why did I give too much value to what people